Hi, welcome to Wise Guys. This video is show you how to solve a radical equation. This is the first part. Solving radical equations. Let's try one question. Is square root 7x plus 4 equals 5. So this is a radical equation because with radical inside the variable. So solving radical equation, obviously we need to get rid of radicals. So how to get rid of radicals? We can square both sides. We square both sides. We have 7x plus 4 total squared and square 5, right? So square both sides so that the radical gone. So we got the 7x plus 4 equal 25. Then transport 4 to the other side. We have 7x equal 25 minus 4, 7x equal 21, and divided by 7 for both sides. We got x equals 3. For solving radical equation, you must check your answer. It's not optional. The reason is because of square both sides of the equation, sometimes we got actual answer. So that's why sometimes after checking, maybe it's not the answer, which is this is not the solution. Okay, let's check this one. X equals 3. You put on the left side when x equals 3. You plug into the left side. You have square root 7 times 3 plus 4 to see if it is equals to 5. Put question mark 5 and calculate inside. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So it's 25 to see if it is equals 5. Yes, 5 equals 5, right? So that's why this is in this question, x equals 3 is the solution. This first question, because square both sides. Second equation, both sides with the x. Square root 4x squared minus 3 on the left side is 2x plus 1. For the same idea, we square both sides. We square both sides of the equation. This way you need to square both sides. So 2x plus 1 squared. Okay? So after square the radical gone, you have 4x squared minus 3. Be careful how to expand this one. 2x plus 1, which is this one, is 2x plus 1 multiply 2x plus 1, right? And you do 4u. But at this moment, you already, when you're learning radical equation, you must have already learned the factoring perfect square method. So you can use shortcut formula way to make it faster, which is this one equals square the first one, you got 4x squared, square the second one, you got the 1. The midterm is multiplies these three terms. 2 multiply 2x multiply 1, which is 4x. So this is the formula shortcut way. So square the first number, square the second number. At the midterm, is multiply these two numbers, 2x multiply 1, then multiply 2, which is 4x. So you have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. You can see both sides have 4x squared, both sides we can cancel out, because if you move this one to the left side or move this one to the right side, cancel out, right? So now we have negative 3, because this we have negative 3 equals 4x plus 1. Because x on the right side, we can keep working with this one, move 1 to the left side. We have negative 4, because it's negative 1 minus 3, negative 4 equal 4x. And then you can divide it by 4 for both sides. You got x equal negative 1. So the answer is x equal negative 1. Let's see if this is the answer, is the solution. We can the answer, check your answer, plug into the original equation to check. Okay, here can check. X equal negative 1, plug into left side, you have square root 4 times negative 1 squared minus 3, to see if it is equal to 2 times negative 1 plus 1, right? And you put the question mark to see. And working with the left side, negative 1 squared equal 1, 4 minus 1 equal 4, 4 multiply negative 1, 4 multiply 1 is 4 minus 3 is 1. So square root 1 is still 1, right? This is square root 1 and equal to 1. This is equal to 2 multiply negative 1 is negative 2 plus 1 is negative, right? This one, because we got x equal negative 1, so 2 multiply negative 1 equal negative 2 plus 1 equal negative 1, right? So the right side is 4 multiply negative 1 squared minus 3. This is the square root. Then we got the positive. So this is 1 equal negative 1. No, it's not. That's why this is not the answer. So x equal negative 1 is not the solution. So as a result, this question is no solution. That's why the answer is no solution. This is no solution. So this is sometimes happen, but sometimes it's working, right? Depending on if you check, you got the correct answer, which is the answer. Otherwise, it's not the solution. This is presented by Wise Guys. Thank you.